Before you start a poultry business, wait. Here are the 4 things you need to know to avoid costly mistakes. Number 1, know your market. Don't just raise chickens because everyone else is doing it. Know who will buy your eggs, chicks, or birds, and at what price. Number 2, start with a clear budget. Know how much you need for the chicks, feed, housing, vaccines, labor, and other costs. Your budget should match the number of birds you can realistically manage. And number 3, learn before you invest. Poultry is more than feeding chickens. Learn about brooding, feeding, vaccination, disease prevention, record keeping, and proper management. And lastly, our number 4, have a good management plan. Your success depends on daily management. Clean water, quality feed, good hygiene, proper housing, and close monitoring can make a huge difference. Poultry farming can be profitable, but only when you start prepared. Follow Raise a Chick Africa for practical poultry farming knowledge and training. Let's build successful poultry businesses together.